In the name of Allah, the Merciful, the Beneficent. Let's enjoy the dinner.
Hello, sir. How can I help you? Hello, would like the table for four. Of course, please follow me. Here is the table for four. Thank you. Can you give us the menu, please? Yes, of course. Here's you are. Thank you. Can I get you anything to drink? Just water for me. I will have lemonade.
I will have milkshake. I will have orange juice.
Great, I will be right back. Are you ready to order? Yeah, we are. I have grilled chicken and salad. Would you like a starter, sir? Yes, I'd like the vegetable soup. For starter, I'd like the vegetable soup. For the main course, I would like to grilled fish.
I would have the chicken soup and lasagna. I would have some barbecue kebabs, soup and steak.
Excellent. I will be right back.
Wow, it smells so great. I'm so hungry and I want to eat, but the soup is so hot I can barely touch it. Wait for it to cool down before we eat it. The grilled chicken tastes delicious, doesn't it, Paul?
Yes, Mom, it does, indeed.
What's about your lasagna, Emmy? I love it. It's my favorite dish. Great. How's your fish, Mom? It's excellent. I'm so glad we came to the restaurant. Could you please pass me the salt? Here's you are. Thank you.
Did you enjoy your meals?
Yeah, it was wonderful. Thank you.
Would you like to something for dessert?
Yeah, for dessert, I will have ice cream, please. I will have chocolate cake. I love ice cream. I will have the chocolate. Enjoy, things look great. Let's eat the dessert.
Dad, I'm thirsty. I would like to drink some water. Excuse me? Yes, sir. How can I help you? Could you please bring me some glass of water? Of course, yes. Thank you. Can I bring you anything else? No, thanks. You're just the bill. Okay, sir. I will be right back with the bill. Okay, thank you.
And the whole family enjoy the dinner and leave.
Subscribe to my channel.